is a beautiful day today. It is a beautiful day today. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. Look at the blue sky. Look at the blue sky. There are many white clouds. There are many white clouds. The grass is very green. The grass is very green. I see many colorful flowers. I see many colorful flowers. The air feels so fresh. The air feels so fresh. A gentle wind is blowing. A gentle wind is blowing. It is not too hot. It is not too hot. The trees are very tall. The trees are very tall. The birds are in the tree. The birds are in the tree. Look at that little butterfly. Look at that little butterfly. The butterfly is orange. The butterfly is orange. Is that a squirrel? Is that a squirrel? It is running on the grass. It is running on the grass. Let's walk on the path. Let's walk on the path. The path is long. The path is long. We can sit on the bench. We can sit on the bench. The wood is smooth. The wood is smooth. The sun is setting now. The sun is setting now. The colors are beautiful. The colors are beautiful.